Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson T82 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to the any web browser that you like and here type Epson T82 printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the epson.co or go to the official website. Here we find these two are official website. Go to the downloadcenter.epson.com. It is an official website. Go to this link, open that link. I give this link in the YouTube description also. Here first select your operating system. My operating system is Windows 10 64-bit, so select Windows 10 64-bit. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the plain Windows 10. My machine is Windows 10 64-bit, so I select that and select your region. And after that, this page goes to the refresh. After that, go to the here T82 software and document. Okay, and here we find proceed to download. Click on proceed to download. It's redirect to another page. Click on I agree to the software license agreement. Check this, select this, click on the download and download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. It's a very large file. It's take some time to download these drivers on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few minutes. Download is completed now. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, drag this setup file to desktop, close it. Here we find our setup file, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it's extract our files and create a new folder on a desktop. Double click on that folder. Here we find our all softwares. Here we find this TMInstall.exe. Select this, right click on it, click on run as an administrator, click on the yes. Close it, wait for a few seconds, click on the install now, accept the terms and conditions, click on the next, click on easy install, click at here, easy install. Here we find two options. Go to the first option, alphanumeric specified Chinese. Okay, first option, it's simplified Chinese. It's simplified to our language. Click on the next. Select any port that you want, serial port or any other port or USB port or Ethernet. I go with the USB port. Select the USB port. Click on the next. Click on install. It started our installation and it's take 1 to 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for 5 minutes to completely and properly install this printer on our PC or laptop. Installation is complete. Click on the next. Click on the next. Here we find many options. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page. And if you want to run your printer utility, then select this, check this. I don't, so I uncheck and click on the finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson T82, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.